Hi everyone. Here are 10 English vocabulary words for your daily conversation. First sentence. He habitually avoids work and tries to do as little as possible. Habitually avoids work and tries to do as little as possible. சோம்பேறித்தனமான முயற்சி செய்ய விரும்பாத. What is the word you can use for this? Indolent. He is indolent. Next one. She feels sure about herself and her abilities. Feels sure about herself and her abilities. தன்னம்பிக்கை கொண்ட. You can use the word confident instead of the long phrase. Feels sure about herself and her abilities. She is confident. Very simple. Next one. He strongly decided to achieve his goals no matter what. Strongly decided to achieve his goals no matter what. உறுதியான தீர்மானமான என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய word என்ன? Determined. He is determined. Next one. She can manage things on her own without help from others. Can manage things on her own without help from others. சுயமாக செய்யக்கூடியவர். What is the word? Independent. She is independent. See the next sentence and try to choose the word for the phrase. Underlined. He can be trusted to do what he promises. Can be trusted to do what he promises. Do you know the word? Reliable. He is reliable. நம்பிக்கைக்குரியவர். Next one. She has strong goals and always wants to succeed. Has strong goals and always wants to succeed. Do you know the word for this whole phrase? உயர்வை நோக்கி முயற்சிக்கக்கூடிய. Ambitious. She is ambitious. Next. He always expects good things to happen, even in tough times. Always expects good things to happen, even in tough times. நேர்மறையான எண்ணம் கொண்ட. The word is optimistic. He is optimistic. Next sentence. Try to find the word. She can recover quickly from problems and difficulties. Can recover quickly from problems and difficulties. சிரமங்களை சமாளிக்கும் வலிமை கொண்ட. Resilient. She is resilient. Next one. He cares deeply about others and wants to help them. இரக்கம் கொண்ட. Cares deeply about others and wants to help them. What is the word? Compassionate. He is compassionate. Next one. She takes her duties seriously and completes them carefully. Takes her duties seriously and completes them carefully. பொறுப்புணர்ச்சியுள்ள. What is the word for that? Responsible. She is responsible. Today we have seen a lot of words instead of some long phrases. Try to use these words in your conversations as well. Thank you for watching. Take care.